So hello guys, welcome. In this section I will show you how you can buy CC from Surface Web, which is in simple terms I will say from normal internet. Okay, so now I am logging in. There are several websites as you can see on the tab. I will explain each one of it in detail. Okay, so please wait, be patient. This is one of the most important website which you get. Okay, so this is one of the most important website. Many carder use this website for carding. Here you should have valid balance. Like right now I have zero. Here minimum should be of 100 dollar. So as you can see in the card section, USA is trending in hot. So as you can see, this much credit cards are available on a deep web. Sorry. As you can see, this much credit card are available on the normal internet. So you can buy from them. As you can see, there is Visa card. They show the starting number, its expiry, bank name, first name of CC owner, his city, state, country, and whether he has driver license and his date of birth including price. As you can see, $12. According to different website, their charges are also different. As you can see, Visa card is available, then Discover, which is of US, then MasterCard. Mostly US cards are available because people in US do online shopping in more amount. As you can see, there is Australia and New Zealand cards also available. Okay, see, as you can see now, it shows ANZ Bank, which is located in Australia. And note that now in this case there is no driver license, no date of birth, and the price is same. So you should always buy credit card from the deep web. I recommend that. So now we are going to buy some credit card. Okay, so I'm living in India. So I want, wait a minute. So I'm living in India. I want Indian card to be carded. Okay, so I will change my country, but here only two options are available. As you can see, all card levels are mentioned here. You can select which one do you want. If you want, in my case I want for purchasing platinum. Card type, I want credit card. Country, I will choose all country. Okay, now with driver license, date of birth, no, I don't want that. Okay, now you can see the new list has been updated. Okay, then there are so many websites. As you can see, now I am clicking on this and then add selected card to shopping cart. Okay, so so it has been selected and it's showing your balance is empty, please deposit money to buy cards. Okay, so firstly we have to deposit money. So first of all we need to, so there are many of the cards available as you can see. Okay, now another website is UniCC Shop Bazaar. This is most trusted, so we will try to register. Okay, and I will use my temporary email address for registration purpose. Okay, so I think so they have sent some verification email ID. We have to wait. So we have created everything. Now I will click on sign up. So as you can see, this is UniCC Shop Bazaar. So as you can see, they have their current domain and they post everything how you can use it in Mozilla Firefox. You can use it by blockchain DNS. Okay, so what they have, buy, we will click on products. Okay, so now it will load. Okay, as you can see there are massive list of credit card available, so you can buy it. Here everything of the credit card is given. See, classic debit and many more, his address and many more things. They are selling on, they are selling at $10 price, even at $2 price, as you can see. Okay, so let us search some cards. I have written a bin, and now I will try to search whether cards are available or not. Okay, as you can see, I want card which should be in India. India is here, so I will save and load. So as you can see, now the list of various credit card are shown. Like as you can see, these all credit card are from India, from different cities like Pune, Kanpur, Pune, Hyderabad, Delhi, Bangalore, and they are selling at $15, $12, and in much, as well as in $10 also. So it is very easy to buy them. So let me just show you how to buy these cards. Okay, but for that you should have balance. Right now I don't have balance, so I will not show you. Okay, so thank you for